Hi, it's Jill. I have a quick decluttering project for you. Your freezer. That's it, just your freezer. Pull everything out, make decisions about whether you want to keep it or not keep it. It's okay to let it go if it's beyond fresh, if it's really severely freezer burn, unless you want to throw it in a big pot and make some soup with it. That's an idea. That's a way you can use up some of that old stuff because you won't know how old it is when it's in a pot of soup, right? So there's an option for you. But don't be afraid to throw it out. We all make mistakes. We forget about things that we own. It's okay. Throw it out. Move forward. Move on. You have my permission, and give yourself grace while doing it. Don't beat yourself up. So evaluate it, make decisions, decide what you're going to keep. The things that you want to keep, you might want to categorize in your freezer so you can find them quickly. For example, put all the veg with the veg, all the frozen meat with the other meat. And you can even put it in containers if that's helpful for you inside your freezer. Contain and categorize. That's it. You can do it. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you receive notifications in your email when I drop a new video. Again, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. This is Jill with Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert in Madison, Wisconsin.